హాయ్ వ్యూవర్స్, ఫాలో అవుతున్నారా మన ఛానల్ని? ఫాలో అవ్వకపోతే ఫాలో చేయండి. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. Viewers, in this class we will learn about the relations and functions topic. In IPA generation, this topic varies 15 marks. In this we will learn about the 2 marks important problem. A function f is defined by f of x equal to 2x minus 5. Write down the values of f of 0, f of 7 and f of minus 3. Here we have to prove three conditions. Solution. Given that f of x equal to 2x minus 5. In this first we have to replace x equal to 0. Then f of 0 equal to 2 into 0 minus 5 equal to minus 5. F of 0 equal to minus 5. Next we have to replace, this is first condition. Second condition, we have to replace x by 7. Then f of 7 equal to 2 into 7 minus 5. 7 2s are 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 is nothing but 9. This is f of 7. Next, third condition, f of minus 3. Then f of minus 3. 2 into minus 3 minus 5. 3 2s are 6. 2 into minus 3 minus 6 minus 5 equal to minus 11. This is f of minus 3. Therefore, f of 0 equal to minus 5, f of 7 equal to 9 and f of minus 3 equal to minus 11. Please note down.